Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. So today will be looking for Max Olympiad problem. So the question is given ax plus by equal to 7, ax square plus by square is 49, ax cube plus by cube is 133, ax power 4 plus by power 4 is 406. So then you have to find the value of 2014 x plus y minus xy minus 100 of a plus b. So some logic is there, that's why this question is selected. So as we are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try this problem. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So any other suggestions are there? If you are having any easy methods, you can give that easy methods also. So here the question is given. So first of all, I am taking the value ax plus by. Ax plus by is equal to 7. So from this you can write ax equal to 7 minus by. In the same way, you can write by is equal to 7 minus ax. By is equal to 7 minus ax. Now I am taking second equation. Let us take this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here the second equation is ax square plus by square is equal to, you can written as a x into ax plus y into by. X into ax plus y into bx. So in the place of ax, I am writing the value of ax from the above. X into ax is 7 minus by plus y into by value is 7 minus ax. Now if you open this 7x minus bxy plus 7y minus axy. Now here if we take common, 7 into x plus y are getting minus a plus b into xy are getting. Let it be a. Let it be equation a. Now given ax square plus bx square by square is equal to 49 now. So this is equal to 49 now. So here first of all you'll write equal to 49 now. This is equation a. 49 equation a. Now same I am writing 7 into x plus y minus a plus b into xy is equal to 49. That we are taking as a. Now ax square is equal to 49 minus by square. In the same way, by square is equal to 49 minus ax square. Now in the same way you can write third equation. Ax cube is equal to 133 minus by cube. And a by cube is equal to 133 minus ay ax cube. Ax cube. Now in the same way, ax cube plus bx cube can be written as x into ax square plus y into by square. X into x square plus y into by square. Here if you substitute So x square is 49 minus by square plus y into 49 minus ax square. So here you can write it as 49x minus bxy square bxy square 49x minus by square plus 49y minus ax square y. So here you can take common 49 into x plus y minus ax plus by into xy. ax plus by into xy common. So here 49 x plus y ax plus by is 7. So you can write 7xy. This is equal to 133. So the value of the second equation is third equation is 133. Here you can take 7 common. 7 into x plus y minus xy is equal to 90 now. This is B. Now if you take the last equation, ax power 4 plus by power 4, you can write it as x into ax cube plus y into by cube. So this can be written as x into 133 minus by cube plus y into 133 minus ax cube. So directly I am writing 133 into x plus y minus ax square plus by square into xy. So here you'll get 133 x plus y minus this value is 49. 49xy. So this value is 406. So here you can take common 7 common. You can take 7 common. 19 into x plus y minus 7xy is equal to 58. So this is equation C. Now if you solve the equations C and equation C 19x plus y minus 7xy is equal to 58. C equation and B equation. B equation we are having 49xy x plus y. I am multiplying with 7 minus 7xy is equal to 133. So here I am doing subtraction. So this will cancel minus 30x plus y is equal to minus 75. X plus y is equal to 75 by 30. So here you can write it as 5 by 2. Now if you replace this value in one C or B, replacing this value in C. So 19 into 5 by 2 minus 7xy is equal to 58. Somewhat long process. So 95 by 2 minus 58 is equal to 7xy. So 95 minus 116 is equal to 14xy. So xy is equal to minus 21 by 14. So you are getting minus 3 by 2. Now replace this x plus y value and xy value in A. X plus y is equal to 5 by 2 and xy is equal to minus 3 by 2 in A. So here what will get here? 7 into A value 5 by 2 minus A plus B into xy value is minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is equal to 49 now. So here 35 plus 3 of A plus B is equal to 98 now. 3 of A plus B is equal to 63. A plus B is equal to 21 now. Now what is required here? Okay, what is required to find 2014 x plus y minus xy minus 100 of A plus B. You have to find the value of this. So here 2014 5 by 2 minus into minus plus 3 by 2. So 21. So here 1007 into 8. 2 will get cancelled. Minus 2100. So 8056 minus 2100 is equal to 5956. So I hope you understood the video. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.